This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. How can Laurel get all 5 piles of treasure using only one east block? Okay, we got this. So we have 1 block on our screen, yep, and we can only use up to 4. And yet, only using up to 4, there are 5 piles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's just make sure 1 go east. I'm going to start throwing down some blocks, and I know that I'm not supposed to use more than one of these, but it's really helpful to test stuff out in code. So we can go back and change it up, but for now, I just want to see what this will do. So let's step through. I'm going to go east, yep, and get the, yep, notice it disappeared, east, yep, and am I going to get this? Yep, ran that. East. Okay, so that's working. So let me reset. What if I keep going like that? Let me hit run here. And notice we are using 9 blocks. That's a ton of blocks. And we're not even there yet. I would have to go east 1 more time, I think, and get another 1. Now, in code, if you are doing this, if you are repeating yourself, there is probably a better way. Notice, east, get the gym. 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 I'm repeating myself. How many times am I repeating myself? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Repeat 5. Interesting. So let's get rid of these. Boop. Ooh, that one survived. Goodbye. And if I put something in here, in this like pink mouth type thing, any of the blocks within this will be repeated. How many times? Well, this one 5 times. Watch. I'm going to hit step, east, get the gym. It will hit the bottom and go, oh, okay, I need to run this 4 more times. Loop back to the top, go east, get the gym, bottom, back to the top, east, get the gym, east again, get the gym, and then finally east. And now we're only using 4 blocks. I think we had 9-ish before. Pretty awesome. Onward.